Up first this evening, dozens of persons were arrested on Christmas Eve for breaches of the nightly curfew orders. We start our coverage in Clarendon, which, up to news time, had the highest number of arrests. The cops say while most persons obeyed the curfew orders, a few didn't and are now facing the consequences. Increases in crime and COVID cases have led to greater police operations in Clarendon in recent weeks. Head of operations for the Clarendon Police, Superintendent Christopher Phillips, says while there was some leeway for commercial activities on Christmas Eve, they were strict with the 10 p.m. curfew time.
I want to commend those persons who, continue to do their best to observe the measures, but we still have some persons who are very, very much, not doing so, not showing any care, any regard at all for the public.
He says after the cutoff time, a team went out to enforce the measures.
Until I say Rasta make case come off of the road.
Curfew starts at 10 and you're well in breach of the curfew. The police would have been warning over 2 hours now.
I have none of them come that way and I heard them. I am on my way from way out there. So I don't know.
It is now 9 minutes to 11. You're on the road.
48 persons were arrested for breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act and will be facing the court.
I think by now we have been through several months of the pandemic and persons, have seen the results of that. It's in our best interest to continue to abide by and obey the measures that are put in place by the government. And as the police, we are going to continue to enforce those measures in the interests of the public.
The police have explained that in addition to trying to curb the spread of the coronavirus, the curfew seeks to control criminal activities which have escalated recently.
You understand that Clarendon has a lot of challenges, and so as the police in Clarendon, if we turn a blind eye to these things, then we're going to lose control, and we'll never lose control. We have to be on top of things, and so we're going to enforce the measures straight through, right through for the holiday.
The nightly 10 o'clock curfew will continue until January 15, 2021. However, on Christmas Day, Boxing Day and New Year's Day, the measure starts at 7 p.m.